Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Rapid hardening cement contain a high percentage of a tricalcium sulfate and a low percentage of a dicalcium sulfate. It is grounded extra fine with a specific surface not less than 3250 square centimeter per gram. This cement develops the strength early due to the fast hydration reaction. This cement should not be confused with a quick setting cement which only set quick but does not develop a strength early. Rapid hardening cement develop the strength within 3 days, which is equal to the strength developed by the ordinary Portland cement after 7 days. Rapid hardening cement give out more heat of hydration at a fast rate, therefore should not be used in a mass concreting. This cement is profitably used in various situations like in a prefabricated concrete constructions, for a modular construction where formwork need to be removed early for a reused, road repair work, in a cold weather concreting where rapid rate of strength development prevent a frost damage to the concrete. If calcium chloride is mixed with the rapid hardening cement, it becomes an extra rapid hardening cement. The early gain of a strength is not substandard, and at the end of 90 days, the strength of a rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement, and the ordinary Portland cement will be almost the same. Since it is clear that the rapid hardening cement does not give a extra strength, but it gives the strength early so as the formwork can be removed early and the fast construction is made possible.